Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to change your Outlook password. Okay, so let's start with the video. Before we start, I request if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open first Outlook. So this is my Outlook app. So how you can use it to change your Outlook password. Okay. So first we have to go in this file option, and here you can see the account setting option, which is first option. Now just click on Outlook Hotmail. This is web Outlook link, so click on it. So it will be open to your default browser and it will be automatically login. If it is not login automatically, you need to login it in your browser. So let it open first. Meantime, you can subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Okay, it's open now. Now this is web version. Go to this your profile photo, click on your profile photo here at your right side. Okay, so let me click. It is loading. My internet, it's slow, I think. Yeah, now go to the my profile, sorry, go to the my Microsoft account, and new tab will be open. New tab will be open with your Microsoft Office account. So after it's open, you will see the option called change the password in the here. Okay, so you can just need to just click on the change the password here. Click on it, and now they will ask you your current password. Enter your current password, and then you are able to change your password. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.